Hello, welcome to this blog, Ethics, Health and Death 2.0. Today's Bioethics Chronicle is going to deal a little bit with the content of this blog, which I have started early 2005, so yes, lots of things on this blog, lots of stuff. So here's a little bit what I've learned while studying at MIT and Harvard Med School last year. We got it all wrong in the 70s. Back then, the secret of life got discovered, or so we thought. 4 chemicals, 4 letters, A, T, C, G. Tedious. Couldn't see what to make of it. No need to focus on these, as doing so wouldn't get us very far, or so we thought. So we decided to focus on the brain instead. The brain as the king of organs. Medicine should be all about organ technique and ultimately organ replacement to deal with organ failure. Our MDs and surgeons became organ pros, working in silos instead of working across the silo. Of course, some organs, like the heart, were said to be nobler than others, digestive. Some people who got a Nobel Prize and are teaching at MIT, biology for example, say that this was a little bit arrogant, since all we did was convincing ourselves we knew a lot about the brain, which honestly is not really true. To cure cancer, we have to target mutations in genes, not the organs. Cancer mortality is down by 20% from 1991 peak. This means that from 1958, when the data became available, until today, cancer mortality has been brought down by 10% only. How many decades will we need to make cancer become some kind of chronic disease? Maybe one, make it 2, yes, I think probably 2. However, this can only happen if we target gene mutations, not organs. I know, you're gonna say she's always harping on the same string here, but I think it's important people get these things. Bringing individuals' chromosomal variants together is the big task at hand, and by the way, this happens to be the idea behind the 23andMe company. So, to cure cancer, we need to target gene mutations, not organs. Our healthcare system is in a crisis. Organ-centered medicine calls for organ replacement therapy as the ultimate solution. However, we were not able to industrialize organ donation. There's been organ shortage, organ trafficking, scientific polemics regarding brain death, etc. This calls for some kind of healthcare, let's say, revolution, evolution, prevention, mHealth, digital medicine, telemedicine, 3D bioprinting. We are now exploring personal genomics, and of course, this is only the beginning. A, T, C, G, the 4 boring letters from that secret of life thing we talked about earlier, could help translate clinical molecular data into safer, more effective drug choices for patients. This means chemotherapy will do a better job targeting cancerous cells. Revolutionary gene editing tools, software like CRISPR, will one day be used to change the genetic makeup of embryos. Chinese scientists already can do that with monkeys. Probably not only monkeys. In his stunning book, Life at the Speed of Light, American geneticist J. Craig Venter writes that we are living in the digital age of biology, in which the once distinct domains of computer codes and those that program life are beginning to merge, where new synergies are emerging that will drive evolution in radical directions. Yes, to some people what I'm saying here is literally obvious, and quite frankly and honestly, they don't even understand why I'm spending time blabbing around here about those obvious stuff. They are in the middle of it, they are working in it, and it's fairly obvious to them. But to other people, this is disruptive news, this is unwanted news, and for example, in France, it is forbidden by law that French citizens have their genome sequenced. It's punished by fines, and you can also be punished by prison. So you'd better take care of your health and strongly support organ donation, as someday it might be useful to you. This post is dedicated to French internet and network economist Jean-Michel Billot. So thanks for listening, and till next time for next Bioethics Chronicle on this blog, Ethics, Health and Death 2.0. Thanks for listening. Bye.